Hi guys, so we're just jumping straight into the video. Obviously you clicked on this for a reason. Here I'm just showing you my hair before we started. It's just got a lot of dark brown, red tones to it, and it was pretty bland before, so I want to spice it up a bit. Here I'm splitting my hair because I want to do a peekaboo on the bottom horizontal half, and then we are going to add the bangs into it a little bit later. First I'm splitting it horizontal, as I said, because I want to color the bottom half. And here I needed some help, so I asked Gordon to come help me make sure that it was straight enough, because obviously I just didn't have a mirror and didn't want to look and do the work behind me, so he's helping me with that. If you don't have anyone to help you, just kind of double up on mirrors so that you can see behind you and do as best as you can. So once we split that half, I decided to tie the bottom part so that it wouldn't come undone while I did the top half of my hair. To do the top portion of your hair, just split it in the way that you normally wear it every day, and then take the very front sections of your bangs and try to do almost like a halo effect. And do as best as you can here because it was kind of hard. I just kind of went at an angle that I thought the color would look the best seen, and I had to have Gordon help me again to make sure that it was as straight as possible. But yeah, I just wanted kind of minimal in the front. It wasn't that much hair that I actually took out, but it still gives it a really nice effect at the end. I tied up the hair that I wasn't going to use in a bun just to get it out of the way. And then I tried to copy the same thing and make it symmetrical on the other side. And once we were finished with that, I also tied up the rest of the hair in another bun. Make sure you have all the hair up before you undo that bottom portion of your hair to bleach it. As you can see here, I undid the other side because I had a few hairs that were sticking out that I needed to put back up. So when you're pretty confident that all the hair is put up, that you're not going to be bleaching, you can go ahead and take that bottom portion out of its rubber band and brush it out to make sure that it is just very easy to put the bleach on and you are ready to go. So this is how it looked in the front, and then in the back, I guess Gordon thought that was straight as can be. I'm going to be taking the Splat Lightening bleach box, and I decided to use this because it was simple and at the store and 10 bucks. And also I didn't need to really bleach my hair that much just because the color we were putting over it would color everything. So I put all the ingredients together and it came out like a bluish purple for the bleach. It was a bit watery, but I've used it before, so that's just how it comes out. This part is probably the easiest part ever. You just bleach all the pieces that we took out to bleach. Here I made sure to saturate the bottom. I didn't do the root section obviously because it'll go a lot faster, but I made sure to saturate everything and brush the bleach through my hair so that it would take a lot more and evenly throughout. And then I put our plastic Walmart bag over my head so it could incubate it with all the heat. This is what my hair looked like with the first bleach done. It came out exactly as I would have figured because, like I said, I had a lot of red tones in my hair, so that's why there's that deep orangey brownish still there, and then obviously towards the roots it's more yellow. I decided that I wanted to try something to make it just a tad bit lighter so the color would take a bit more, so that's when I got out my handy L'Oreal Effisol packet. I love this, and you can get it on Amazon if you need to get it because you can't purchase it at Sally's without a license, cosmetology license that is. So here's the end result when I did that. It just helped that brownish orange lighten a tad bit, and then obviously the yellow lightened up to an even better, brighter yellow, and so I was happy with this. To color my hair, I decided to go with Pravana Chroma Silk Vivids in Wild Orchid. It was a kind of plum color that I was hoping for, and I thought this would look really good because I was looking for like a purplish pink color. So I really liked how this one worked. I used this before actually, and I just love the color, so I decided to do it again. And Pravana Chroma Silk colors are just beautiful. They stay in your hair like crazy. They're vivid. I just love them. So if you guys are looking for some hair dye that is easily accessible on Amazon as well, definitely check out this brand. Valerian wanted his hair colored in this next clip, so we decided to go ahead and color his hair because his dad said that he could, which I was so excited about. He wanted his hair like pink red like his mom's. I'm so proud of him. So I decided to put his hair up in a little ponytail and color the bottom portion, kind of like what I was doing, just to the front of his hair where all his hair was. And he was really happy because he got some color in his hair and it was so cute and adorable.
You can do mommy.
I didn't actually take a video of what it looked like in the end, but it kind of came out like a cherry chocolate color on him. So it wasn't anything dramatic like mine came out, but it was cute and you can kind of see a little bit of color on him. So this is me just showing you I saturated my hair like crazy, as you should do with the color, so you don't miss any pieces. That is the #1 rule. Go hit that like button for the final reveal. Go, go! Really, I'll wait for you. Go.
Okay guys, so this is the final reveal of the hair color. I actually really love this hair color. I love the little color peeking out within the bang area. I like that you can see it underneath. This was a really cool style that I saw on Charli D'Amelio that I thought was even better than just the plain peekaboo underneath. It gave a bit more. And so I attempted to do it myself before even seeing Mondo's video, and I feel like I actually did really well. Thank you to Gordon for helping me, because you actually might need someone else to help make it even, to make it look as good as you can, but I really love how this turned out. I filmed myself doing my hair a few days ago. This color has been washed probably 3 times now in the shower with regular shampoo and conditioner, and it's maintaining really well. That is why I love Pravana. I really choose them when I want a vibrant hair color, because I know in past results as well that they have stuck to my hair like crazy, and that's what I need and love. So I'm very happy that I went with this color. It's a bit more pink than I would have originally wanted. I wanted more of like a purple pink hue, but I still am really happy with the color itself. This was super fun, and I feel like this was finally something that we attempted to do on our own without really knowing how, that came out really well. I was really excited to do this video, and I'm happy to help those who may not have known how to do it and want to do it themselves. My hair has also remained really healthy. If you guys want to know how I was able to achieve that, make sure you click the subscribe button down below, and I will be bringing that video out to you guys very soon, so you don't want to miss it. Turn on those post notifications so that you will be reminded when I do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!